Hello. Great to have you here once again. Today we're going to explore the project screen in the Havieri ERP. If you followed the previous class about groupings, you'll notice this screen looks very similar. But the difference is in the purpose. Grouping is for tying sales and services together more freely for any situation. Projects are focused on managing initiatives with a beginning, middle, and end. Construction work, consulting, installations, events. Things you need to track progress until completion. Let's master this tool together. Go to the left side menu, click on Purpose, then on Projects. We're already on the screen. The first thing you see is the listing of all existing projects. The table shows the ID, the client name, the project description, the creation date, the person in charge, and the status. The status indicates whether the project is in progress, completed, or cancelled. At the top, the quick search field and the filter button work just like in the other screens. You can filter by period and by status. Click Filter and the table updates. In the last column, the Action menu gives you access to the options for each project. Clicking Edit, the system loads everything into the editing screen. Now let's create a new project. Click the Register tab. The registration screen has two main sections. At the top, you select the client. Type the name in the search field, click the magnifying glass, and select the client. Their photo appears on the left. On the right side, you have several query tabs. The first one is the search. The second shows the client's registration data. The third shows the addresses. The fourth shows the credit situation. The fifth shows consumption charts. And the last one opens the client's complete history. All of this without leaving the screen. While you're creating the project, you have access to all the information about that client. At the bottom is where the magic happens. Here are the project tabs. The first tab with a map icon is where you describe the project. In our example, type Lighting Project Erica. Save. After you save, the other tabs appear. The second tab with a wrench icon is for linking services. The third tab with a shopping cart icon is for linking sales. And the fourth with a paperclip icon is for attaching files. Now, just like with groupings, the project you created here isn't stuck only on this screen. When you go to create a sale or a service, that's where you link it to the project. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to open the sales screen. Look here on the sales form. There's a specific field to select the project. When you open this field, it lists all active projects. Just choose Lighting Project Erica and that's it. This sale is now linked to the project. Any product you add to this sale will automatically appear here in the Project's Products tab. Now I'm going to open the Services screen so you can see how it works there too. Opening a new service, notice that it also has the project field. It works the same way. You select the desired project and that service becomes linked. Later, when you come back here to the project screen, it already appears listed in the Services tab. This means you don't need to go back and forth between screens to tie things together. You create the project once, and then, in the normal workflow, when creating sales and services, you select the corresponding project. The system takes care of bringing everything together. And at the end of the project, you come back here, change the status to completed, and the system keeps all the history preserved. You can see exactly how much you sold, how much service you executed, what the total cost was. It's a complete view of what was accomplished. To edit an existing project, go back to the listing, go to the Action menu, and click Edit. The system loads the complete project with client, description, services, sales, and files. You navigate between the tabs and adjust whatever you need. That's the beauty of the project tool. It gives you control over each initiative from start to finish. You know what's in progress, what's already been delivered, and what's been cancelled. And you have all the sales and service history tied to each project. Today you learned how to create a project, select the client, describe the scope, and saw how it connects with the sales and services screens. The project is the right tool for managing initiatives with a beginning, middle, and end. Thank you so much for joining me. In the next class, we'll explore more system tools. See you then.